Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
Today we will be presenting our micro project of subject web-based programming using PHP under the guidance of Priyanka Khalate ma'am. The project title for our PHP programming is Gym Management System. The project members are Aditya Pawar, myself, and my colleague Pratik Khopde. Introduction. Gym Management System is a simple PHP MySQL project that manages a fitness gym business membership and payment records. So it is a system that will manage our business memberships and payment records. It will also be helpful for managing the schedules for teaching workouts, or we can say planning a nutrition diet. It also has features like scheduling a calendar for what days which workout should be done. Objectives. To reduce the paperwork, as we all know, today's gym require a lot of paperwork to sign a membership or to do a management process. Provide a easy way to manage things and provide an efficient system that is easy to use and operate. Resources use PHP, MySQL, XAMPP server and Notepad++. All these resources are open source. That means you can get them easily and free of cost on the internet. For front end I have used PHP, and for back end I have used XAMPP server to store the data, and to query that data I have used MySQL. For editing, the editor which I have used for this project is Notepad++. Workflow. Until now we have seen the objectives or the resources which I have used in this project. From here we will see the design of the project. Gym Management System. First, it has a trainer's view, trainers feature, in which we can add a trainer or remove a trainer. Then we have members and their details such as email ID, phone number, address, etc. Then we have the packages that the gym provides for 2 months, 6 months or 3 months. Then we have the membership validity, which contains the date from which the members are joining and leaving. Here are some of the features of our project. The login page, the page where the system users will submit their system credentials, access the gym management system data. Home page, the page where the system users will be redirected by default after logging in. Plan page, where the fitness gym membership plans are listed and can be managed. Methodology. The gym records is being stored efficiently in the database, but also easily updated and extracted from the database. So our system is flexible and can be used easily and anywhere. Scope. The scope of our project is like adding a new member, updating a membership, add a new trainer, updating the package, or remove a trainer, etc. There are a lot of scope in this project. Advantage: it is easy to use and operate, password protected and portable. It can also run without any internet connection. Here is an output of our project. First is the login page, where this is the entry point into our system. This is the home page, where you can manage all your gym management things. This is the membership details, where we can view all our members' details. Conclusion. Thus, main objective of the proposed work of developing a system that will manage all gym works and tasks. Thank you.
Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.